and today I am making some delicious Rice Krispie cakes. Obviously there are other mix of puffed rice that you can buy, and in my bowl I have just been melting some delicious chocolate. Look at that! Look at that smooth, delicious chocolate. Now to this I'm going to add a little bit of my favourite thing, golden syrup, and this will make it really nice and sticky and sweet. Obviously girls, this is not one of your 5 a day, so these are just little treats that you can have during the day, and I'm making these for Jemima, Ophelia and I for this evening after our tea, and we're going to sit down with those. So in my bowl I've got the delicious chocolate and some syrup, and now I'm going to add some Rice Krispies. Absolutely wonderful. Now thank you so much for sending in all your wonderful pictures. Your Easter bonnets are fabulous. I love all the spring colours. Some of you have put some shredded green on there to make a spring meadow of grass, and you've put lots of bunny rabbits and chicks as well, and eggs. They were fabulous, so we've sent those all in, and there should be a little video coming out, an Easter bonnet parade video coming out soon, with everyone in school is going to be performing and showing off their hats. Oh my word, girls, this is so sticky and gooey and gorgeous. So now I'm going to scoop all this into my little cup cases. So maybe you could count with me and help me count. Can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you show me 5? Can you show me 5? We used to do that in nursery, didn't we? You used to be really, really good with your maths. So I'm going to make 5 cupcakes today. What is double 5? Who can remember what double 5 is? Absolutely 10. 5 and 5 is 10. Let's sing our counting song that we sing in school, shall we? 1 and 1 is 2. 2 and 2 is 4. 3 and 3 is 6. 4 and 4 is 8. 5 and 5 makes 10. Let's start all over again. 1 and 1 is 2. 2 and 2 is 4. 3 and 3 is 6. 4 and 4 is 8. 5 and 5 makes 10. We won't do it again. So I've got my 5 Rice Krispie cakes already, and now on the top of them I'm going to add some of these mini eggs. And we were just starting to learn a song about eggs in school, about Easter eggs, and we used to sing this song, and I used to really love singing it, and it went like this. Easter eggs are yellow, Easter eggs are blue, Easter eggs are red and green and purple too. Easter eggs are yellow, Easter eggs are blue, Easter eggs are chocolate and they're all for you. Have you had an Easter egg hunt yet at home? Or maybe that's to come. And you might go out into the garden and hunt for eggs. I wonder how many you will find. So I'm going to put 3 Easter eggs on each of my little Easter cakes. There we are. And I think I've got a little book I'd like to read to you now. There we are, all ready for after tea, for Jemima, Ophelia and I. So I found this book, girls, when I went to nursery yesterday, and this book is called 5 Little Chicks. 5 little chicks. That's what you call a baby hen. 5 little chicks. A baby chicken is called a chick. And they've all just hatched out of their, that's right, of their eggs. So I thought you might like to share this story with me. 5 little chicks. Once there were, can you help me count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little cheeks. Peep, 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 peep. You can see these are just about to hatch out of their eggs there. There they are. Count with me again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There were 5 little chicks. Said the first little chick, "Peep, what can I eat?" And with a little squirm spied a fat, wiggly worm. Can you find the fat, wiggly worm? Can you point to it? Oops, I've skipped a page. I've gone a bit too far. Said the second little chick, "Peep, what can we eat?" And with a little shrug, can you shrug like the chick? Shrug. Found a spotted crawly bug. Where's the spotted crawly bug? Can you find it? Oh, there it is. What do you think that is? That's right, it's a little ladybird. Said the third little chick, "Peep, what can we eat?" And with a little sigh, saw a fuzzy butterfly. Look at the butterfly just up here flying. Said the fourth little chick, "Peep, what can we eat?" And with a little worry, spotted a plump red strawberry. Look at all those delicious red ripe strawberries. Shall we count them to see how many there are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They've all got one each, and there's one spare for Mother Hen. Said the fifth little chick, "Peep, what can we eat?" And with a little pout, saw a long, shiny trout. Now, a trout is a type of fish, and you can see him swimming in the pond. There he is. But wise Mama Hen knew just what to do. "Let's run to the patch," she said. And off they went. And scratch, they scratched and scratched in the corn patch. You can see the corn plants growing there. And they're scratching on the ground. I wonder what they'll find. Shall we find out? So all 5 chicks went scratch, 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 and pecked with their mama all day in the corn patch. So all of them are finding corn for their tea to eat. Until wise Mama Hen said, "Let's not make a peep. It's time to snuggle and cuddle and sleep." So girls, as we wrap up now for this term and you begin your Easter holidays, I want to wish you all a happy, safe and healthy holiday. Mrs. Peter, Mrs. Marley, Mrs. Evans and I are so grateful for everything you sent us in the post and in emails, and we wish you and your families a lovely, lovely Easter. So with a big hug for me, big air hug and a big kiss, I look forward to seeing you again when we come back in 2 weeks' time. Lots of love. Bye girls.